Hi, good morning. It's 12:31 in the afternoon right now. I'm currently putting my hoodie back in this thing because I was wearing it last night when I got off work. I got soaked in the rain, so I put that on so I wouldn't freeze. Hi, how are you? If you know me, I hope you're having a good day. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. We're gonna hang out today. Unless you don't want to, you can leave at any time. What's happening today is I wanted to get up early. I wanted to do so much stuff and have a fun day because it's my day off. And the motivation is just not there because I was so excited because I was supposed to get my first tattoo tomorrow. But unfortunately, the tattoo place has to reschedule me. So she rescheduled me for the 11th. I have my yarn project. I'm working on a sweater right now. I just had to finish one sleeve, the cuff, and like the little collar area, and then I'll be finished with it. Other than that, I have no plans. If I end up vlogging today, I'll probably end up vlogging tomorrow because I have 2 days off in a row because like I said, I was supposed to get my tattoo tomorrow and I went through so much trouble to find somebody and beg them to switch with me so I could have tomorrow off, and now it's not happening. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I want to try to crochet more stuff. I have so much yarn and I haven't done anything with it, and I really want to like make stuff and put them on my Etsy so that people can buy them and like have them, and I'm like, oh my god, I made that and you have it, so I made it for you. I'm going to my parents' house right now. I got something in the mail. It's at my parents'. I need to go get it. I also miss my dog so much. I'm gonna go. I'll see you there. We'll see what happens today. I am now at my parents' house. Here's a cat. She loves me. She's actually purring. But I think that's just because she's mentally unstable. The cat's playing over there if you hear noise. I rescheduled my tattoo appointment. So it's gonna be happening on the 8th instead of the 11th. Baby hairs, and I have this. Superman. These are my baby hairs. This is my outfit, by the way. We don't talk about this because I'm not an outfits person. I just wear whatever I feel. We got these jeans. I found at JCPenney for like $10 on clearance. This shirt, I believe, is from Forever 21. This flannel, probably Target. My Converse, from Converse. And then I watch this every night. I really want to go to Michael's. Something in me is telling me to go to Michael's and I don't know what. I'm leaving my parents' house now. I don't know what to do. I kind of just want to look at yarn. I kind of just really want to do that, even if I don't buy anything. And so I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Trying to make sure there's no cars coming. And I'm really nervous because I used to work there and I quit like 2 months ago for reasons. Probably go to the Goodwill because it's like right near the Hobby Lobby. So I've already run into 2 of my old co-workers and I'm so uncomfortable, and I can see my old manager walking around. It is not a vibe. It is not a vibe. It was interesting. It was fun seeing some people not as much. My old co-manager said hi to me. Love him, Bobby. My manager did not acknowledge me or didn't see me, but it's fine because I didn't acknowledge him either, so it's mutual. We are here. We are here. We're gonna tie our bags. I will give you a haul when I get back. They had some clearance yarn. I got some because it was originally $9 and they're $2.24. So I was like, yes, please and thank you. So let's go into Goodwill and see what we can find. Hopefully some yarn. So they actually have pretty good sales, so I need to go get a cart. This might end up really bad. Michaels was too much of a success. That's 70% off yarn. I spent $100.53. I'll show you how much yarn I got. It's crazy, okay? It is crazy. Yeah, I'll give you a haul. I might do it at my parents' house just because the lighting will probably be better. Okay, I'm in my sister's room. Something happened. Okay, so I'm really sorry if you can hear the fan, but it is way too hot in here. Okay, we're gonna start with Hobby Lobby because that's where I went first. Okay, I went to Hobby Lobby. I saw coworkers. I was uncomfortable. Bueno, le iba a enseñar porque estoy haciendo un video, pero si lo quieren ver.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have her in the background. Nobody's worrying. She is delusional because she's wearing Christmas pajamas. Anyway, went to Hobby Lobby first. I got these. Can you stop? Stop trying to eat the hamster. Violence is not the answer, Willow. Look at her. Look how happy she is running around without being terrorized. No. Okay, so I'm back. I might be a little quieter because there's people outside and I feel a little awkward. I'm on my camera now. Sony Handycam. Cute little baby from the past. Because my phone ran out of storage when I was trying to show you all the yarn I got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start from the beginning. Sorry, the lighting has changed everything. It's like almost midnight. Let's do this. So first bag, I have 3 colors. I want to make a sweater out of all 3 of these with all 3 of these colors. So I have this Yarn Bee Studio 72 linen. It is this cute kind of like, it's not white, it's kind of like a cream brownish color. I have this one in the color Spice, and then this one in the color Teal, and I think these colors are very cute together. 5 of the linen and the Spice, 4 of the Teal. I got all those yarns for 30% off at Hobby Lobby because they were having the 30% off sale. Next up was these were on clearance. So these were all originally $8.99. I got them for $2.24, and I got this bright, like really cute bright yellow. So I got 3 of those. These are all the same type of yarn. It's kind of like this, just like really small lime light. I got 3 of those frosty mint. Got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of these oranges, Orangeology. Very cute. And that is everything I got from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go ahead and move on to Michael's. So Michael's was a different story. Michael's was having 70% off for some limited time only yarn. I'm sorry I'm talking so low. I'm trying to not grab anyone's attention outside the door. Everything I got from Michael's was 70% off. This is 100% cotton yarn, and it is this really, really pretty, like, bright yellow. So got it in this pale blue. I got it in this like light salmon pink. Got a few of these. These are iced latte. That is such a cute name. I'm so sorry if you can hear the water running. I got 4 of these sugar and cream 100% cotton yarn. This is the same yarn I used to make the crochet market bag. So I want to make it in black. So I got 4 of these because I do believe I only used 4 to make them. So if you want to recreate the bag, I believe I only used 4. I also got this 3.25mm hook, but it is a really small hook because I got yarn from Hobby Lobby. This is the hook it requires. I think what's left in the bags is all the same type of yarn. Got this pretty like light, kind of like purplish blue color. Got 3 of these purples, 3 of them in purple, 2 of this green. Oh, I forgot I was reading the name. Limelight, really pretty bright green. I got 2 of these bright pinks. I got this like lighter green. I only got 1 of these. I have this pink, I have 5 of these, and then I got this lighter pink. I have 2 more of those purples I showed earlier. As you can see, I'm trying to organize it on the bed. And then lastly, we finally made it to the end. The same type of yarn, cream color, and I got 6 of these. Wow, that is all the yarn I got. So up at the top we have Hobby Lobby yarn, all up in these 2 rows, and then here it starts all Michael's. Hi! Good morning. It is now Thursday. I just came back from Wawa. I got a little everything bagel. Hopefully they toasted it this time. And then I got an icy. I'm just gonna chill, have my breakfast. I'm gonna show you how far I've gotten with the sweater I was working with yesterday, because I don't think I ever showed you. So this is my market bag. Surprisingly holds a ton of yarn. Anytime I'm working on a project, I just like stuff it in here and I just take it with me wherever I am. I have the torso done. I have the band done. Left sleeve is completely done. It has its cuff and everything. I finished the right sleeve last night, and then I just need to do the cuff. After that, all I need to do is finish the color up here and it'll be done. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to eat my breakfast, watch my TV show. So it is actually like almost 12. I spent a good time like editing a few clips of yesterday together. Now we can go ahead and start working on the sweater. Okay, I don't know how good this angle is, but I guess that we can just get started on this. My first memory with crochet was like my grandma gave me like a crochet hook and like some yarn, and she taught me how to like make a chain, and that was like all she taught me. And I was like, how do you make something out of this? So what I would like to do, something that I've always like dreamed about doing since I was young, was like having my own shop, being able to make things and like people have them and be like I made that and you liked it enough to, you know, buy it and have it, and like it just makes me happy. I really want to like make things and put them on my Etsy and like, you know, see if anybody's interested in buying it. I think that is all I'm going to talk about right now. We can just crochet. Join me. Let's crochet together. Okay, I'm gonna keep working on this and then I'll come back with some progress. I finished the other sleeve. This is what we have so far. We got this sleeve, this guy. Now I just need to do the collar, and this is gonna be done. I can get this done today. I am so excited. Okay, it's done. I still need to like, you know, hide the ends and everything, but this is it. Oh my god. It's very cute. It is adorable. I love it. I will leave the link to the pattern that I followed in the description in case you're interested in making it as well. I finished the sweater. I put all of the loose ends, I tucked them in. She is finished. Look at it, look at her. Ooh, the sleeves are humongous. I love it. Now I need to clean up because as I was cutting the loose ends, I wasn't putting them anywhere, so they're just like all over the bed. So we're gonna clean up. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I cleaned up. I'm feeling pretty tired. My boyfriend's gonna be back from work soon. Whenever I start working on projects again, I'll let you know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you were inspired. I hope you worked on some of your favorite hobbies along with me. And I hope you have a wonderful day.